Hello friends, after the online store 2.0 release, one of the greatest feature that Shopify has brought in is we can create multiple templates for the products. Earlier, if you wanted to create different templates for your product page, you had to actually contact a Shopify developer who knows coding, and they had to actually create a different template from the theme code, and then only we could actually implement it in the product. But now the merchants can actually create a different templates for different products. For example, if your store is a multi-product store, that is, you are selling clothes, you are selling shoes, you are selling bags, in that case you would want to have different product templates for different product categories. For example, you want to have a different template for showing the shoes, and you want to have different templates for showing the clothes. Those things weren't possible without the help of a programmer earlier. But now, after the online store 2.0 release and in the new Dawn theme, you can create different templates for different products. So that is a very good feature that online store 2.0 has. Merchants can actually use it to customize their theme in any way they want. They can customize the pages in whatever way they like. They can put in their design ideas and everything into it. Now I will show you how we can create different product templates for different pages or for different products. So what you have to do is you have to click on online store. Click on customize. Here you can see this drop down. You have to click on products. So you will see two drop downs, one with the default product and one drop down called create template. So the default product is the default template that is coming with the Dawn theme itself. So let us first see what we have in the default product templates. Yeah, so when you click over here, you can see a lot of blocks over here. So for those who have used the previous version, we were not able to customize these sections. Actually, these blocks, we were not able to update these sections unless with the help of a programmer. Now what you can do is even the merchant themselves can actually rearrange or do any design changes over here. So that is what it is called, sections everywhere or blocks everywhere. So if you want to bring the add to cart button just above here, then you can actually do that by just drag and drop this and move it over here below the price. So if you want, we can do that and it will be updated, and we can click on save. So anyway, we can rearrange the sections that is over here. If you want to add more blocks also, we can add. Let's see how we can add a new block. So I am clicking on add block, and let me give a collapsible tab. Okay, so I am going to give my delivery policy over here, and let me give a content for it. Delivery in 2 to 3 working days. So I can actually save it, and what happens is here we get a collapsible tab. See, when I click over here, this content will come over here. As explained in the previous video, we can add meta fields also over here. Now if you want to change these icons also, they have given an option to change that. So let us give a box, okay, icon, and see, now it is like a box icon has changed, and we'll click on save and it gets updated. So this becomes a box icon. So there are various icons. You can find whichever is suiting your title and then add that. So we added a collapsible tab also over here. Now if you want to hide any content, we can hide that. So for example, if I don't want to show the share button over here, I can click over here and hide it. Okay, I can hide it or I can delete that. How to delete that block? So you see here we have got like only we can use 12 blocks only. So after adding 12 blocks we won't be able to add any more blocks. So if we, what we can do is we can delete any of the block. So you can click on that particular block and click on remove block, so that block will be removed. Then you will have one more additional block that you can add. So you can select any of the things that you want to add over there. Now let us see how we can add a new section. If you want to add a new section, you can add that. Click on add section, and then we have a lot of list over here from which we can choose whatever we want to add. So if you want to bring the blog post over here, you can bring that. If you want to have a collage, you can have that. If you want to show a collection list, a contact form, whatever you want, you can bring over here. For this default product templates itself, if you want to add a new section and set it as a template, so what you have to do is you can click on add section and you click on image with text. Not only image with text, whatever section you want to add, you can add that. Okay, what I can do is I can actually edit the text of this. Okay, and I can click on save. Then I can actually bring an image over here. Whichever image I want, I can bring an image over here. So here we have a lot of options how we want to show the image, whether we have to adapt to the image size itself, or we have to make it a smaller image, or we want to have it as a large image. So whatever whichever is your preferred dimension for the image, you can add that. So let me give it as same size of the image. Then the color scheme, the background color, if you want to change, we can change that. See, so a different background color will be coming. Then desktop layout, how I want, whether the image to come first or the text to come first. So if I click on text first, means it will come like this and the image will go there. We just saw how the default product template that is coming with the Dawn theme is. Now let's see how we can create a custom product template for a different product. So you have to click over here, and from here you have to click on products, and then here you can see a drop down called create template. Click on that. So they will ask you for, we have to give a name for the template that we are creating. So I am going to give this template name as jewelry. Okay, so I am going to assign this template to the jewelry products that I am going to add to my store. We have to select based on which template we want to create this template from. So it will be from the default template itself, and click on create template. So now a template called jewelry is created. Now what we have to do is we have to assign this template to a particular product. So what we can do is we can go to the products. This is the product that I have added. So when you scroll down, you can see an option called theme template, which template you want to choose. So by default, all the products will be this default product template will be chosen. So when you click the drop down, you can see the template that we created. So that the template name that we created was called jewelry. So this template we can see over here. So you can click over here and save it. So we assign jewelry template for this product. That is what we are doing here. Now you go back to online store, click on customize, click on the products, and now you can see the two different templates that we create that is there will be shown. One is the default product template, and this is the template that we created, and you can see it is assigned to one product. Click on that. Now we can do the changes to this template, how we want this product to be shown in the front end. So for example, here I don't want to show this vendor's name. What I can do is I can hide that. or I can delete that. Okay, now I want to, okay, the price is shown over here, then the sizes they can choose over here. Now this product doesn't have any meta fields, they doesn't have any care instructions of or materials. So what I can do is I can remove that from here. From this template I can remove the meta fields data. I don't want to show it over here. Okay, so that we did, but we are showing the meta fields on our default template where we have assigned our dresses, okay, clothes. So but for the jewelry we don't want to show the meta fields like the material or care instructions, so we remove that. The delivery policy also I can keep that, and if I want to have a different delivery policy, that also I can add over here. So if I want to increase the delivery policy for this product, I can do that. Maybe it is 4 to 5 working days, so I can assign that delivery policy. So I don't want to have this section this way, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this and I'm going to add a new section. Okay, so let me add a new section called image banner. This is what I am going to add. So I will select an image for that. So and I will select the image for that, and if I want to have two images over here, I can do that. That is why we have the second image over here. So we can have two grids over here, one this grid, so we can show two pictures over here. Okay, so that is why they have first image and second image added over here, and I'm going to save it. And when I go back, I can edit the texts over here. So I'm going to give it here as find your ring size, and I don't want to show any of these sections, and I am just going to have only one button over here. So I'm going to remove the other find your ring size, and I'm going, let me link it to a page where I have added how they can find their rings. So this is the section that I will have on my jewelry product template. And now the product recommendations have come. I don't want to show that, I will hide that. Now what I wanted to show is I will add another section where we'll show a featured collection over here. So I want to show something related to this, or anything that I want to upsell, I can show over here. So I'm just going to show some earrings over here. Okay, so I can give an example of a title over here for this featured collection. Maybe I will give it as you may also like, and select a color and click on select a collection, and I can see all the collections that I have created here. So I'm just going to select earrings, and so those earrings will be shown over here. So we can also limit the number of products that we have to show over here. We can select this also so that swipe, we can enable the swipe on mobile for a better user experience on mobile. Here we can actually set the image how it has to show. This is the original size of the image, so these images are all of different sizes, so I can actually set it how it has to be shown. So if I click on square, means all the images will be shown as a square format, and it will look neat. If you want to add spacing, we can add that. All these things we can do over here. A border spacing will be shown over there. So like that we can actually design it. So this is how I have designed my jewelry template. Okay, so so this particular template we can assign to different products. So for jewelry products I want to show this this template only. So this is how our product page is going to come. Now we saw how to create different product template. So now we have two templates on our store. One is the default product template and one is the jewelry template that we have created. Now let us see how we can assign products to the templates. I have already shown that. Just to show you once again. I am showing that. So for this product, for example, this is a ring, this is a jewelry product. So when you scroll down, you can see online store theme template, and from here you will see all the templates that you have created. So you can just select the template that you want to assign for this particular product and click on save. Now let us see how our product templates have come in the front end of the store. So what I have done is I have gone to navigation and created two menus over here. Two menus called dresses and jewelry, and link the corresponding collections to that. Let us preview it and see. These are the two navigations that I have added now. So first let me click on dresses, so we can see the two products. So I'm going to the default template. So for this dress we have assigned the default template, and we can see that all the details that we have added are over there. You see the care instructions and material that we have added are there. Then the delivery policy is there. This section that we added is there. All these are there. Now let us go into the jewelry tab and let us see a product that we added. Let us see this product where we assigned it. So you see we removed that we removed the vendor from there, and so that is not there. We removed the meta fields on the jewelry template. We didn't want to show that. So you can see over here that meta fields is not showing over there, only on the default template, that is for the dresses template, that the meta fields are showing. You can see that over here, and on the jewelry it wouldn't show. And also if we see the delivery policy, we added a different delivery policy over there, like it is a 4 to 5 working days, and so that is come over here. We added delivery in 2 to 4 working days, so that is coming over here. And we added find your ring size banner over here, so that is coming over here. We removed this banner, so that banner will not come on the jewelry template. We also added you may also like a featured collection that we want to show over there, that is a earring, so that is also come. So you can see that we can create different templates for the jewelry we created a different template, for the dresses we created a different template. Likewise, for each particular category or product, whatever you want, you can actually create different templates in the way you want, and assign that template to a particular product, and it will show like that on the storefront.